The 2016 Can-Am Renegade XMR 1000R is a beast of a machine designed for extreme off-road adventure, and we all know what it's capable of. But like I've previously mentioned before on Facebook, I just have to modify anything I get my hands on. So, step 1 for today, we'll install a performance aftermarket exhaust on our Mudracer. The exhaust we chose today is from Big Gun Exhaust in the EXO series. The Big Gun exhausts flow exceptionally well and are loud. So today, we installed a Big Gun Evo pipe and let you sample the difference in sound before and after. This is how the stock exhaust sounds. This is how the Big Gun EXO series exhaust sound. Wow! This was a short install video and audio sampling for the Big Gun EXO series racing exhaust. They are distributed by our friends at Motovan and available from our sponsor ATVTiresCanada.com from $665 and up. They are on the expensive side. Performance is improved, and we will be back with more information after the Festival Hors Route in Sainte-Béatrix, Quebec on the 12th, 13th and 14th of August. We'll see you there.